Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope that all are you fine and maintaining social distance. Here your English teacher Sabaltaf and this is your lecture number 18th. Okay students, open your new Oxford Modern English book class 2. Today the topic is careful hands. All of you know that in our previous lecture we have done the reading of this lesson and exercise part A and B. Today we will solve the exercise part C. Okay students, open your page number 49. Learning about language part C. Learning about language, compound words. Students, sometimes in English we join two nouns and make a new one. When we join two nouns and make a new one, it is called compound compound words. Here is an example: pen and knife. When we join pen and knife, we make a new word, pen knife. As you know that pen is a word and knife is also a word. When we join these two words, two nouns, we make new words and new nouns. Pen knife. Students, pen knife mean little knife. Here is the statement. Can you make four new nouns from these words? Can you make four new nouns from these words? Students, here are some words: cup, strap, watch, shelf, bell, book, board, and door. Students, now we will make some new words. Cup, a cup of tea, it's a word, and cupboard, cupboard. Student, it's mean almari. Cupboard mean almari. Student, here are watch. Watch is a word, and wristwatch. Wristwatch is also the word. Students, book. English book. English book. And door. Students, doorbell. Doorbell. Door is a noun and bell is also the noun. When we join these two words, we make a new word, doorbell. Okay students? Now we will learn about a and an, the article. As you know that there are two articles, a and an, or the or to the following. Students, here are some words: apple, sun, bag, X, donkey, world, man, onion, yellow box, easy chair, and boiled egg. Here we use a and an. So students, we will use vowel sound. We will use with vowel sound an, and we will use with consonant with a. Students, an apple, a sun, a bag, an X, a donkey, a word, a man, an onion, a yellow box, a easy chair, and an easy chair, and a boiled egg. Okay students, hope that all of you have understand about a and the article. Okay students, there is a statement: put the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Pocket his in, put hand he is. Students, now we will write these sentences in correct order. Okay students, so let's start. Pocket his in, put hand he is. The right one is he put his hand in his pocket. He put his hand in his pocket. Why are you foolish are? So students, the right one is you are a foolish boy. You are a foolish boy. String have, should, a, you tied it to. Students, you should have tied it with a string. You should have tied it with a string. Students, hope that all of you have understand. So please solve this exercise on your book. Okay students, your diary mentioned here. Exercise part C, learn plus while reading and challenge, learn plus write. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, take care and Allah Hafiz.